Hello, my friends. Here I am again, another Wednesday. Today, pasta al forno. But before I start that, I want to send chin to Trevor, to Lisa, and a few others guests that we have tonight. They want to stay, what do you say? Anonymous. They don't, anonymous. Anonymous? I guess it's anonymous. Chin, welcome to my house. Good wine tonight. Thank you for bringing it over. Come on, have a glass. Anyway, I'm gonna start washing my hands. Trevor, did you say hello to everybody?
There's 8 people.
Everybody's been waiting for you, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Who's gonna read those comments? Lisa, can you read the comments?
I can read them.
Absolutely. In case, because poor Trevor. Okay, so we have oyster mushroom. And I'm gonna show you in a minute what I'm gonna do. A lot of people use different mushroom. Me, I bought this one, they were fresh, and I decided to use them in my pasta. So, and I'm gonna use this one. They're gonna give such a different taste.
Barbara says hello.
Hi, Barbara. But the taste is gonna be, I can just picture the taste, the flavor on this. I'm not gonna do it all. I think this is gonna be enough. Because look how beautiful it is. Maybe another piece. So what I do with this, I'm gonna saute it. It is my oil, my pot. I should have had it a little more hot, but it's okay. Now I need some garlic. I forgot to chop the garlic. Oh no, I do. I have it. What's the matter with you, Sarah? Get it together. Here.
Oh, in there?
I put it in this because I smell it so much. So we have in the pasta boiling. And Trevor, we have the marinara here with the meatballs and a little piece, small sausage. So, not all of it, just a little. This mushroom, like this, it's like, in Italy we call it alla romana. Funghi alla romana. Can you say funghi alla romana? And they're gonna cook so quickly.
Hi, Trevor and Sarah from Washington State.
Hello.
Maria says hello. Mary says hello.
Hello, Maria. I love this mushroom. Maybe I should cook it all. You know, I think I will. I'm going to. Yes, I'm going to cook it all. You're going to love them. Trevor, do you like mushrooms?
Yeah.
This type?
Mm-hmm.
What do they call them?
Those ones? Oyster mushrooms.
Yes, they are. Yes, oyster mushrooms. I cannot wait to taste it in my pasta. Yes, oh God. I could just have a meal on those. I really do. Okay. I don't know when it's too much. I need to buy a new stove. I keep saying that. Oh, can you smell this?
Mm-hmm.
Do we have anybody there?
James says hello. Mary says hello. Adriana.
Adriana?
Mm-hmm.
What's that name? Can you read it?
It's far up in the comments. Carmela says hello.
Okay. A lot of people. Okay, this is done. You see how quick they cook? Done. Okay, now we're gonna see if the pasta is ready. It doesn't have to be totally cooked. I like to cook it halfway, but it's a little bit too hard still. And I should have listened to you. I should have cooked it before. But I never learned. I'm an old-fashioned kind of a woman.
Michelle says hello.
You know what I need? Excuse me. I need this. Actually, the pasta is really good. It really is. So watch what I'm doing. See? Hey Lisa, can I have a little help?
Yes, of
You wanna
course.
see my sous chef?
I have the strainer here ready for you.
No, I'm gonna do it like this.
Okay.
I need, if you can chop my my hard-boiled eggs on the little
Yes.
chopper. Here, here, honey. I call you honey.
Annie says hello from Montreal. Nick says hello.
Hi, Nick.
Kathy. Marlene.
Marlene, yes, from Chicago. Or if it's that Marlene, so many Marlenes. It's hard for me to recognize. Once I read the comments, and then I know who you are. I'm almost there. See, I like my little scooper here. All right. Now, I'm gonna give you another jug.
Okay.
I shouldn't have all of this stuff done, but I've been busy sewing wedding gowns all day. Oops. Oops. I guess it's a wrong way here. Let's see if I can get this one out.
Carmela says, I got here late. What's in the frying pan?
What do we call them? Oyster mushrooms.
Annie says, Trevor is back, question mark. I'm
Yes,
here.
he's here. Okay. Missy, can you chop, not too chop, but it's okay. Anywhere you do it, it will be fine with me. I'm gonna have to come here. Very disorganized today. Trevor. I'm all over the place. I didn't sleep all night. So, okay, so here we go. This is how you assemble it. Do it the way you like, but the way I like it is like this. I'll put just a little pasta, not too much, like that. Is the eggs ready, Missy?
Yes, they are.
Thank you. If you can chop those for me, I will appreciate it. So we put some eggs, not too much. And then we need I'm gonna use my Parmigiano Romano. Then we're gonna put some of this. Don't do too much sauce. Now we're gonna have some eggplant. Somebody's calling. Can I have that? Can I have?
So the eggplant that's in there, may I ask, is that just sauteed?
What?
The eggplant, is that just sauteed? Is that what you put in there?
No.
No.
It's, I do it, I already have, what do you call it? The recipe on one of the videos. That's the Sicilian style.
Jamie says hello.
Hi, Jamie. This is gonna be better than the lasagna. Okay, a little bit of eggs. I need those. If you can put them in a bowl, it would be great for me.
Okay.
Please, please, please. I need another spoon. Could you turn the oven on, please? So we can eat tonight.
Fran says hello.
Hi, friend. The Franca de Luca.
I guess, yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Just like that. I'm getting all of these people to help me, but they don't know my oven. And Sarah, how can you do that? More Parmesan. Now you can put mozzarella here. I try not to because it's so rich with all the other stuff. So, but you're welcome to put some.
Can you tell us again what you're making?
I'm making pasta al forno in Italian, and it would be pasta in the oven here. No, what do we call it? Baked mostaccioli or baked rigatoni, or you can use any one you like. I cook too much because I'm gonna make another one. Because this one is gonna be lots of leftover to take home, guys. All right, so this is done. Now here are my mushrooms. That smell. Oh God, I love mushrooms. This is gonna give them such a different taste to this dish. And I tell you, in Italy, every town that you go in Calabria, this plate is gonna be made in so many different, they're gonna use whatever they have, and then gonna put in this. This is a good Sunday dish, holiday dish. You can use your own imagination. I did it once, roll all the little tiny little meatballs that you do when you make that some kind of a wedding soup here in America. In Italy, we do this kind of pasta on a Sunday. So I'm gonna finish it up with the eggs. You can chop the eggs chopped or sliced, whatever you like. Here, my friend chopped it, and it's great. It's gonna give him a new look. Thank you, Lisa.
Oh, you're welcome.
More cheese. Now I'm gonna finish it up with a little more sauce because this marinara. Can you smell it, Trevor?
Yeah,
Did you taste it?
I did.
You love my marinara, don't you? Okay, so now we have the breadcrumbs that I already put them in the fry pan and toasted. You don't have to toast it, but I like the little extra crunch. And here I have my parsley, and we finish it up like that. Okay. How they look? What do you think?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Looks good.
All right, it's gonna go in the oven for 20 minutes because everything else is ready. So, okay, can somebody open the oven for me? Right there. Okay, now I'm gonna move all of this stuff because I'm gonna make a dessert.
Do you
If
wanna-
we wait for the,
You want to do another video for that?
no, we can do it right now because everything is ready. It's gonna be so quick. Trevor, is that okay? We have time, right? Or
Yeah.
you wanna do a second one? But I think we can do it. I have everything ready. Let me move all of the stuff out of my way because you know me, I like. So, let me get my fruit. Guess what we having? Hey Trevor, did you show our viewers all our product?
Mm-hmm.
Chin chin. Did you see what else I made when you were away?
You've had that.
No, but not on this little container.
Oh, in the
The
bottle.
bigger. So now we can sell some of those. Anyway, so this is my dessert for tonight. Because that dish is so heavy, in a way, it has everything in it. So fresh, I have peaches and mango. That's what I have. Now, I'm gonna give. Of course, you can use any alcohol you might like, but if you serve kids, no alcohol. Just, but do this, just a little splash. Did I put what, a quarter cup? Maybe, and all of that. Here. Now watch the way I do this. So simple. Oh, I forgot. We don't have no recipe for this. We did not post it yet. These are all like leftover cookies. You chop them, you crumble them, and then I have the fruit, of course. Let me. So it's not prepared, okay? So don't yell at me, guys. Especially you, Trevor. He always yells at me that I'm not ready. Okay, so you mix this. I'm gonna have to whip my cream that I forgot. So don't forget, when you whip your cream, you need to have this one nice and cold. Trevor, are you ready to kill me?
No.
Come on, say something. My God, I'm the only one talking. What's the matter?
It's the Sarah show. They're watching you cook.
Yeah, but everybody would like to hear your.
I chime in every so often.
Would you like me to, would you like me to
I
whip
did
that for you?
switch. I know. I learned this, believe me. Okay. Now. My hands. I'm getting old. I think it's time to quit. Should I quit? Oops.
No.
Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna make like about a cup. Can somebody taste that fruit, please? To see if it's good. I gotta come here. Little messy today. I gotta go and get the the powdered sugar. Because nobody knows what it is. I have to go and get it. Can you, do you know it's in the little white container up there? No, no. Sorry, you are not familiar with my, excuse me. Again, little white container. Okay.
Maria says hello to us, and she's glad that I'm back.
Hello, Maria.
Jacqueline says that
Parisi.
she likes dessert too. Susan says fruit's her favorite.
What? The fruit?
Yeah.
Yes.
Jacqueline asked what gets added to the whipping cream.
The what to the what?
The whipping cream.
Why? I'm gonna.
What?
Oh, it's cream.
With powdered sugar?
Yes. Nothing else. It's done. Just a little. A little more. Be careful, you don't want it to turn it into butter. I think it's good. Okay, so there was, what do you call it? Done easy. I gotta rinse my hands. I don't like nothing. I think I wash my hands so many times on a day. Okay, so this is easy to assemble. Okay, so here we go. I need another spoon. So this is the way I do. What is this? I should make 6, but did you guys taste it?
I did, it's delicious.
Because I start with this. It's so simple. Anybody could do this. I mean, this a child could do this. Then I do a little bit of this in top. I'm gonna make only one for the people to see it. But the mint, it's what it gives in the lemon. I put lemon into the fruit, lemon juice, real lemon. Now you can build this, you can use different glasses. Put a little piece of mint there. Excuse me, I gotta use my hands again. Sprinkle a little more of this stuff. You can decorate it the way you like. I'm pretty sure a lot of you has so much.
What is that?
A little cookie that you might have.
No,
Or
the dessert.
what do you call it? I have no idea. You give us a name. That's
Fresh
fine.
fruit compote.
What?
Fruit compote.
Susan says check the oven.
What? Check the oven?
For the pasta, I think?
No. Nothing is gonna happen, Susan. The pasta needs to be in 20 minutes. It's not gonna be so. But we're gonna show you how it looks. And then we gotta put it back. Because Trevor wants to stay only half hour. Otherwise he's gonna kill me. You see? I like sometimes to use those tall glasses like champagne. Because then you can see it better. You can use a little chocolate in here. blueberry, mint, anything you like. Okay, so here we go. You can put 2, 3, whatever you like. So there we go. We don't have to show anymore. We can continue this, and you can put a little more, and then you can grab like a couple blueberry and put it right there. Right there. Done. Anyway, I gotta hurry up. But Yavin. Not ready yet. Trevor, it's not ready yet. Okay? We will take a picture and we will post it. Goodbye, my friends. I see you next week. Bye-bye.